Guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, kind of make sure you subscribe. And it's very important for you to like the video and leave a comment. Now guys, this is a reaction channel. We do reaction over here. We react on the news. We react on YouTube. Listen now. It's just our niche is react. Give our opinion, whether it's good or it's bad. We're not on this channel. We're not fighting. We just analyze stuff, and sometimes people can even learn from videos on here. So guys, today I don't even, to be honest with you, until me done this, I don't know what topic to give it, because I'm just going to chat tonight. Now, the claim say, this is a claim, and this thing is, I would say, it's a rumor. It's actually a rumor going around, and it is based on birthright citizenship, which a lot of people now is concerned about, because you still have some young people living in the United States and them have inner relationships and they might get pregnant. So in this case, if them get pregnant, what do? Now they claim that the Trump DOJ is revoking citizenships of naturalized individuals upon being charged with crimes is very misleading. June 2025 DOJ memo prioritized denaturalization for cases involve fraud, serious crimes, or national security risk. Not just any legal charges, as what people have been saying and the rumors have been going around. So if you watch this video and you no commit no major crime like those crimes when we mention here, then you really don't have nothing to worry about. It has to be serious crimes involving fraud and our national security risk. So the rumors then we are go around, nothing go so. Some people say them vote for him, and because them vote for him, no more felons, and that is what them vote for. And of course, we have to be responsible and responsible for our actions. We're not born here. We come here for the American dreams, and we should stay focused. Because you always hear all time people say, crime not pay, and crime always catch up with you, whether now or whether later down the road. So anyway guys, if you watch the video this far, it's a short video, and as me say, I don't know what I will call it, but because there's a rumor going around that people losing them citizenship, and just even though Trump doing a lot of stuff right now when it come to green card, just so is when you do something and a bad crime, then we strip you and send you back where you come from. So guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and I will see you back here on my next YouTube video.